You are never gonna win, dude. I would not let you win, ever, ever. For as long as I live, even if I have to come here in a wheelchair and a little electric cart, dude, I will never let you win, ever. That is my goal in life. You will never win.
I need better front tires.
You can do whatever you want. You'll never win, ever.
Tires, I came out smoky.
Zip it. So. Well, all right, good day everybody. Welcome back to another upload of It's Dyer thing. I'm here with Mr. Vishwa, Sage, and myself, Rob. Again, hit that like, hit that notification, especially the notification, and please do subscribe to our channel here. And today we are here at Cooperland, and we're about to do some time attack track. So, KLX, DR650, Tenere 700. We are actually on a motocross track now. This is an intermediate motocross track, so there really isn't too much, but we are going to do a couple of bypasses because way over there it is soupy swappy mess, and I just don't want to get it stuck. So 2 laps, 3 laps. Let's do endurance, 3 laps. Not that that's anything, because generally a real race is like 15-20 laps, right? So let's do 3 laps. I will be dead by then. Time of track tack, 3 laps. The loser pays the wings. Uh-oh. So you saw where the bypass is?
Not really.
Okay, well, as soon as you come in right through there, you come straight through, right? So just follow me because I'll always be up front. All right, off-road mode, Tenere. Who wants to count it down? You gotta be consistent, not beep, beep, beep.
I know.
All right, put your hand up in the air. Right hand up in the air, right? Off the clutch, in neutral, right hand up in the air, and then you can do your counts, right?
You gotta find neutral.
Okay, go. Easy on the poor thing. Neutral's between 1 and 2.
I know that.
Reach for the sky.
Ready?
This is where it makes a difference. Oh. Now you gotta remember, there's an advantage here for Vishwa. He's got a 100-pound bike. You got a 200-pound bike. Okay, and I got a 460-pound bike. There's always still 100 pounds difference in between all of us. Oh, soupy! This is where we get into the mud, man. Mud, sweat, and gears, buddy. Come straight through here, and this is where the watch, there's bikes. There's bikes. Now, yeah, like seriously. All right, hold off. Huh? So they're going over there. So worst case scenario, then we got to come around through here and cut off that way then. What, chill out? Go this way now. We go back around. Ready? Okay, go. I'll still in the lead anyways. No, I'm not cutting any corners. no motocross, that's for sure. No traction. I'm just trying to stay out of the freaking mud puddles. Okay, stop, stop. No. Okay, wait, just wait. Okay, yeah, no, we got a rider down. That's all. Okay, you alright, buddy? Yeah. Okay, just relax. Just take a second. Just take a second.
You hurt, David? Yeah, no, I'm okay.
Alright, I'll move this out of the way. Alright, you just easy, alright?
Yeah.
Alright. In the other portion, right in the back there. Okay, just, do you want to take your helmet off? You want me to give me your helmet? Just so you can get some air? Alright. Okay.
Keeps up on you, that deep,
Right.
that deep shit.
I'm just holding it here. That's okay.
Yeah, and I lost it in the deep.
Alright.
I was flying through it and...
Alright, easy.
You okay? You hit everything?
You know, thank God you're not a soccer player. Because it'd be game over. Alright, what do you think is the best way to kind of back it out?
Yeah.
Probably. Alright.
It didn't need to, I think.
Alright.
Ready? One.
Let's see. Give it a try.
Hitting the bars.
Alright, give me a sec. Wait. No, okay. Alright, stay there. I'll just roll the wheel. Alright. Alright, I got it here.
Oh, doesn't work when I hit the front brake.
Alright. Do you want to get it out from there? You right?
I thought you were going pretty good, man. I was like,
Alright.
yeah, and then I eat it.
I'll just support your bike.
Thanks, bud.
You want to take it out onto the side there? Alright. Yeah, nice and easy. They don't rip up anything. Okay. Okay, wait, there's somebody coming behind you. Want to back it up? Ready? You just hold it. There you go. Yeah, here, ready? Okay, you got it? Right in there. Hey, now you're getting up front, you little shit. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No. No, no, that's not fair. I win! I win! The big ultimate champion! I the winner, you the loser! Loser! A loser! Alright, well there you have it, man. That's the intermediate track here at Cooperland. Oh my god, hopefully you've seen most of that. And you weren't looking down on the ground. Oh, so sorry guys. Anyways, there you have it, man. We're in Cooperland. with Mr. Vish, Sage, myself, having fun on a fun day Sunday, and we're calling it the end. Let's go have some wings, because Vishwa pays the wings. He lost. Yes. Till next time, guys, be good, have fun, take care, be safe, don't forget, keep it covered. Oh.